The quality of luggage is paramount, significantly impacting the ease, convenience, and durability of your travel experience. First, zippers. Unfortunately, zippers are susceptible to wear and tear over time, especially when subjected to the rigors of travel. Weak or faulty zippers can lead to frustrating situations, such as unexpected openings or difficulties in closing your luggage. Opt for quality zippers and use locks. Second, seams. Weak seams can spell disaster, particularly when your luggage is packed to capacity. Keep an eye out for signs of fraying or loose stitching, as these indicate potential weak points that could compromise the integrity of your luggage. Investing in luggage with reinforced seams or double stitching can provide added durability and peace of mind during your travels. Look for strong seams to prevent tears and fraying. Third, handle. The handle of your luggage is not just a convenience, it's a crucial component that facilitates transportability. Weaknesses in the handle, whether it's the telescopic handle for wheeling or the carry handles for lifting, can significantly impede your ability to maneuver your luggage comfortably. Ensure that the handle mechanisms are sturdy and well constructed, capable of withstanding the weight of your belongings without bending or breaking. The grab handles on luggage, intended for holding and lifting, can also be very weak. Check handles for sturdiness to avoid difficulties in transport. What to do before you buy? If you're purchasing luggage online without the opportunity to physically inspect it, meticulously examine the provided pictures and thoroughly analyze reviews from multiple websites to gain comprehensive insight and ensure the best possible choice.